Ancient Indian History Part 1.
Question number 1. The earliest evidence of silk in India comes from the archaeological site of. Answer is Nivasa. Question number 2. Patanjali is well known for the compilation of. Answer is Yoga Sutra. Question number 3. With whose reign is the Gandhara School of Art associated with? Answer होगा कनिष्का. Question number 4. Epigraphy is the study of which of the following? Answer होगा inscriptions. Question number 5. Megasthenes, a Greek historian, visit India in the reign of dash in the 4th century BC. Answer होगा चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के टाइम में भारत आया था मेगास्थनीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. पाणिनि, द फर्स्ट grammarian of Sanskrit language in India, lived during the 6th-5th century BC. Question number 7. Which one of the following dynasty was associated with Gandhara School of Art? Answer is Kushans. Question number 8. First battle of Panipat was fought between which two armies? Answer is Babur and Empire. Lodi Empire. पहला बैटल जो था पानीपत का वो हुआ था बाबर और लोडी के बीच. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. द हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन वाज डिस्कवर्ड इन द ईयर. आंसर इज 1921. Question number 10. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kanishka at Kashmir? Answer is Vasumitra. Question number 11. Chalukya temples, Jain temples जो था at Dilwara are situated in Rajasthan. Question number 12. The god who is the most prominent in Rig Veda? Answer is Indra. Question number 13. The largest concentration of Harappan site has been found along the. Answer is Ghagra or Hakra. Ghaggar Hakra. Ghaggar Hakra. Question number 14. Who among the following were contemporaries of Kanishka? Answer is Nagarjuna, Asvaghosha, Vasumitra. Question number 15. The famous festival of Tishokum Samai is celebrated by the people of which state to invoke? Answer is Nagaland. Sokum Samai Nagaland का फेस्टिवल है. Question number 16. Who among the following was the first Surveyor General of the Archaeological Survey of India? Answer is Alexander Cunningham. Question number 17. The Rig Vedic god Varuna was guardian of the cosmic order. Who is the author of Meghdut? Answer is Kalidas. Question number 19. The third Sangam was held at Madurai. Question number 20. Which of the following is a dance form from Karnataka? Answer is Bayalata. Question number 21. The earliest city was discovered in India was. Answer is Harappa. Question number 22. Upanishad are books on philosophy. Question number 23. The Paditruputu is a collection of the poem in the praise of the following kings. Chera. Question number 24. The people of the Hindu civilization worshipped. Answer is Pashupati. Question number 25. Who was the founder of Vikramshila University? Dharampal. Question number 26. The Indus Valley civilization specialized in town planning. Question number 27. The capital of Kadamba kings was. Answer is Vanavashi. Question number 28. Gandhara art is the combination of Indo-Greek. Question number 29. The objects like pottery, tools and ornaments that humans made in the past are called. Answer is artifacts. Question number 30. The words Satyamev Jayate in the state emblem of India have been adapted from which one of the following? Answer is Mundak Upanishad. Question number 31. Out of the following remains excavation in Indus Valley, which one indicates the commercial and economic development? Answer is Seals. Question number 32. The author of Kural of Muppal, a treatise on polity, ethics and social norms. Answer is Thiruvalluvar. Question number 33. The famous Dilwara temples of Mount Abu are a sacred pilgrims place for the Jains. Question number 34. The Dash dance form originated a tribal dance in the forests of Odisha in 18th century and attained the status of material art based dance form in 19th century. Answer is Chau. Question number 35. Who was the founder of Patini cult related to worship of goddess of Chastity Kanangi? Answer is Sengatuan. Question number 36. The Veda which deals with the rituals is known as. Answer is Yajurveda. Question number 37. Who was the first European to designate Aryan as a race? Answer is Max Muller. Question number 38. In Indus Valley civilization, Great Bath is found in which of the following place? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. Question number 39. Satriya is a classical dance form of. Answer is Assam. Question number 40. Samudragupta has been given the title of Indian Napoleon by the historian. Answer is V.R. Smith. Question number 41. An advanced water management system of Harappan times has been unearthed at Dholavira. Question number 42. Which of the following sutra deals with the code of conduct for Jain monks? Answer is Acharang Sutra. Question number 43. Tripitakas are sacred book of Buddhist. Question number 44. The Gupta gold and silver issues were initially based on the coin of Romans and Kushanas. Question number 45. Banabhatta was the court poet of which of the following Indian kings? Answer is Harshvardhana. Question number 46. A copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered in Daimabad. Question number 46. With which religion is Cavalia associated? Answer is Jainism. Question number 48. One of the following sets from where the famous bull seals of Indus Valley civilization was found? Answer is Harappa. Question number 49. Sudarakas Mirikchak Katikam is a drama. Question number 50. In which language was the Srimad Bhagavad Gita originally written by? Sanskrit.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.